so soft, where the seasons flow. We met where the stars take their flight.
Good morning. I'm starting my vlog in the kitchen. I just woke up and I'm so hungry, so I want to make the breakfast. I'm boiling eggs and we do it with black tea and sausages. Those are the eggs that I'm boiling. Hello guys, okay, it's evening and I want to make dinner. Yeah, I'm just from the market to get the food that I will do a cake. So I got fresh fish. This one is already fried, so I'll make wet fry the fish first. Wet fry. I got some mangoes. Let's take advantage of the mango season before they disappear. I got some meat for tomorrow. Tomorrow I don't want to step outside. I'll be very busy, so that one I will make pilau tomorrow. Then I have this kuma to eat today with fish and garlic. That's my dinner for today. And then let's get to the video. Hello guys, so I want to make dinner and our menus today is pilau. And I got some tomatoes yesterday, so tomatoes that ran out. The garlics, so let's go. And if you have not realized, pilau is my favorite food, so I just enjoy making it. So these tomatoes, I'll clean them, but let me just put them. Hello, good morning. Okay, it's on Sunday and I'm ready for church. So I'm putting on this black dress. This is how it looks from behind. Yeah. And I'm putting on this clip because I'm putting on pink shoes. I'll show you. And pink handbag. And after church, I think I'll remove this hair. It has served me enough. Yeah. It has just helped me enough. And I'm not bringing my phone because I didn't charge it, so I will not vlog in church. I'll see you when I come back. So I'm putting on these shoes, these pink sandals, and this pink handbag. Yeah, that's all. See you when I come back. Bye.
Right in February, done in June and July when it's cold. Then in Achangamka, August, no, we have refused this roller coaster thing. They're part of the just. And it's regardless of the challenges of life. Your path this year, you'll experience greater glory in your walk in life, in what God has called you to do. I prophesy your path shall shine brighter and brighter. Things that were supposed to take you out, knock you out, kill you, 2025, you will come out brighter and brighter.
milk. You serve milk on it. Good morning. It's on Monday and yeah, I just woke up. I want to go and make breakfast and see what Monday has for us. Yesterday after church, I was not able to talk to you guys because I slept on Saturday at I think it was on Sunday. I slept at 5 a.m. so I only slept for 2 hours. Alarm, I had set alarm for 7. Then I woke up and went to church. And after church, I came back and sleep. I didn't do anything. Yeah, I think I've carried that bad behavior of not sleeping at night in 2026, and I don't like it. I want to be sleeping early. Yeah. So even now, yesterday after sleeping, I slept only for a few hours because we came back from church at 2. Then I think the sleep caught me at 3, so I woke up at 6 and prepare. Yeah, I didn't prepare dinner. We had the pilau leftovers, so that's what we had. And I slept again late. I slept at 3 a.m. That's bad behavior. I don't like it, but what should we do? So let's see what Monday has for us. So let's boil the eggs, then I'll show you everything. Yes? Wamesha tuingia? Amesema tuende? Muulize tuende. We, yako iko wapi ingine? Muulize tuende. Ama hata si hapo kwake, si ndio? Kama naongea au tutabakisha, nikwambie tutabakisha hiyo ya Bible ikae katikati ya yetu, alafu hii moja ndio tuko pamoja ndio tunaweza weka kwa dining.
Tuko pamoja hapana, ikae kwa living room.
Alafu juu ya Bible na
simu yako ni smart aje.
Thank you. Nani front?
Akamunda.
Ndio And yeah. Mimi mtaniuliza tuingilie hapa. Tuingilie hivi. Mama tuangalia tu. Si hata sijamchukua imagine. Yeye ndo amekuwa akiangalia. Sisi kwa nini unaangalia hivyo mbele umeniona nikimwekea shwari? Sijamwekea wewe ndio umeona vitu zako. Guys, you can see the way our market is full, and it's a market day over here, so we are looking to restock our grocery. So we are looking, yeah. Apa? Sisi wacha nikwambie, unaona mix tukinunua hiyo yenye tulinunua tupike hivyo mix haikuangi mzuri. Juu amekumixia sijui aje, lakini ukinunua wewe mwenyewe ujimixie inakaa hapo. Twende uone. Yeah. Carrot. Nitakuja. So it's market day. Unatoa hapa mayai. Getting some eggs. Ni kama anatutafutia. Hello guys, so I'm back from the market and I want to do a grocery shopping with you, a grocery haul. Yeah, because we went to the market and did some little shopping and I want to do with you. So I will start with this one. I've got 2 trays of eggs. Let me open this. I think eggs we will be doing like maybe weekly because now we are trying to cut carbs completely. Yeah, so this is the 2 trays of eggs. Yeah, it's visible. There's just one and the other one. Yeah, and then I did some shopping of grapes, fresh grapes, and the strawberries. Then this is liver. I'm cooking tonight liver with spinach. I got 2 packets of sausages, beef sausages. And sausages, they've become expensive. I used to buy with $6.60 and now I'm getting it with $700. I don't know why. Yeah, I got purpose. If you know me, you know I like purpose for breakfast even. Yeah, and this is spinach for dinner. I added some little mangoes. Yeah, the last time you saw, I'm just taking advantages of the season. Yeah, before the season is up, little mangoes. And then I got pineapples. Yes guys, so that's my haul and I want to clean my fridge and then arrange them. earlier you saw me went to pick these portraits, and I think it's time for us to change the portraits in our house. And we are not changing it because we hate them. We are changing it because we want to elevate our house and have something new. So this one, yesterday when we were coming from church, we saw somewhere they're making portraits, and my sister was so excited, and she asked if we can use our photo, and the guy said yes. And let me tell you, the guy has a nice service. He has a nice customer service, because imagine we sent him yesterday at 5 when I slept and I woke up, like I told you before. So we sent him, and today at 10 in the morning he said he sent the picture that they're almost ready, and then at 2 he asked us if we can go to pick, and we went to pick and check it. It's nice, so it's already in our house. I had shown you before this one, which I'm feeling bad if we will remove this, but we are thinking about it. Maybe we will not remove this because this one has a nice message. So these two, it's the one we want to change. Yeah, but this one is speaking as kind of a woman, like my mother went through a lot as a woman raising us. Yeah, my mother is a cancer survivor. My mother is a widow survivor. When I say a widow survivor, maybe you don't understand, but she's a widow who has passed through a lot. And this picture normally speak about her, and as also we are women and we have gone through a lot. Like me, I've gone through a lot in Middle East. I've gone through a lot reaching at this age that I am. So this art speaks a lot. And this one is animal. It's the peacock, the beauty of the peacock, and we are beautiful. Yeah, so I'll remove this and then you will see. Then you will see, maybe you didn't see it visible earlier. This is your one and only Sasha Warui. You remember this photo I took in Diani when we went to vacation last year in June, and I love it. When the guy was asking if we have a photo shoot photo, and we didn't have that. I just said my iPhone 15 take a nice photo and I'll probably use it, and I made this one. Yeah. And then this is a portrait of me and my sister. You could see the way we are beautiful. The Warui's daughters are so beautiful. This is me and my sister. So this one, if we will remove this one will be in the middle here, because we are both together. And then this is my pretty sissy. My sister is so beautiful. This one was on her birthday. She looks like a black American. See how the skin tone was glowing. Imagine this was taken with her iPhone. Yeah, iPhone has nice quality. So the only photo shoot we have is this one, which we had in our gallery. This one was taken in my friend's birthday, and the picture is so beautiful. So we have to change. Let's go and do the changing. The peacock, speaking of beautiful of a woman. So my sister maybe will be here. Yeah. Feeling so bad to remove this. I don't know why, because it has a nice message. But maybe we'll put it on our dining area. I'll try it there. If it will not look good, I will return it here. Okay. Amazing hook kuweka. Put this hooks. Oh my god. ukipakiwa nyumba white, hizi wallpaper inatolewa. Ndio? Okay, sisi inasumbua.
Uchungu usivunje hizo hook.
How does it look? Wow, it's so pretty. It looks so beautiful. I love it, guys. So guys, we are going to make dinner. I want to do liver with the spinach I had shown you before. So come, let's do it. So when I bought the liver, I didn't ask them to chop small for me because I want to remove this. I normally remove it so that it will not be hard, tough when chewing it. And I said before that we are trying to cut off carbs. Yeah, carbs and sugar. Like for me, I don't take sugar, but carbs, like ugali. This one we are going to have ugali with ugali. But you remember in December we were gifted to 4 kgs of maize flour. So we want that one to finish so that we finish with the ugali. We will not shop for that flour. And then rice, you saw I cooked pilau. That one was the last. It's remaining a little. When it finished, that's all. We finished even the wheat flour. We are trying now to cut carbs. We will not be shopping for carbs, so that we will not be eating carbs. We want to be eating protein. Like next time when the maize flour is finished, and which is more, maybe it will be, I don't know, it will be when it finished, we'll be having like this spinach and liver, like that, just like that, and hope we will manage. Okay guys, I'm done cooking. That's how my dinner looks like. Wait, I put the ugali. Here is the ugali. So that's how it looks like, and I'm done. See you in another episode of Sasha. Bye. Hi guys, so I want to remove this hair. I think it has served me 1 month and it's not giving anymore, so I want to remove it. Yeah, oops. And it's so painful, and it has a growth, you can see. And then I'm scared of this side, you see. If I don't remove it, it might come off with my hair. I want first to remove these curls. Oh, and so I'm done cutting it all, so it's time to dig and remove them.
Okay, can I count down right now? 4 minutes. 4 minutes. You can only say that for I meant today. Alright, check, 4 minutes. 4, 2, 3, 4. Alright, it is right now, the chronogram is 1:53. If we aren't there, if we ain't there at 1:57, the deal is on. Yes.
I'm done undoing my hair and it's looking so shaggy, so I will wash it and then the next style I will do, or maybe I will do the protective hairstyle for this month and then for the scalp to breathe. I don't know. Hello, good morning guys. Okay, so today's another day and I want to clean my fridge. Like I told you, I wanted to clean my fridge, so today's the day I'm going to clean my fridge. But I want to clear here to remove the utensils and put in the drawers, and I'm making my breakfast. Yeah, come. I don't know why this one has refused to come out.
Where the seasons flow. We met where the stars take their
I just don't know.
feels just right.
And if I struggle, it will break. So
And with ease, heartbeats sink into this melody. You and I forever, wild and free. Hands collide like waves on the shore. Every touch leaves me craving more. Eyes meet, worlds' colors collide with you. Love's where I reside. Whisper your name in the rush of the breeze. Love like an ocean rippling with ease. Heartbeats sink into this melody. You and I forever, wild and free. Even in dark skies, your light remains through every storm. You ease my pain, a rhythm of hearts. No need to pretend, this love story will never end. Whisper your name in the rush of the breeze. Love like an ocean rippling with ease. Heartbeats sink into this melody. You and I forever, wild and
let's arrange the page. So guys, I want to slice this pineapple, yeah, and store it when I've sliced it already. Then my freezer is empty because we are doing January fasting. That's why we decided to be empty so that we will not be tempted. Then I have some beans I chopped. I want to boil them and then put in the freezer. This one I just bought 2 days ago, and I don't know why it's like this. It has already started to spoil. Hi guys, so I want to make dinner, and today's menu is egg curry with white rice. was a simple food. I'm already done. Hello, what's up my good people? Good morning. It's another beautiful day and I just woke up and my sister has already made breakfast for us, so let's go and take breakfast, and after that I will do the cleaning. Yeah, I will clean my house with you. Let's go.
Feel special. No heaven on earth if I can't be with you. Swim in your eyes so I can tell the truth. Ooh, I got so high, oh I can't leave. I got your body all over my mind. I got so high, I'm off my feet. We up in the clouds with the sun in our eyes. Show me that don't need no money, don't need nobody, just need your body. Show me that so sweet like honey, don't need no talking, just need your body. Telling me you feel fine. Never leave, never leave, never leave, never leave, never leave in your side. Wanna keep you in my life, no need to move. Whenever you here, I feel like I can't lose. Baby, I wanna ride with you, I got so high, oh I can't leave. I got your body all over my mind. So high, I'm off my feet. We up in the clouds with the sun in our eyes. Show me that don't need no money,
I see the fire in your eyes. Don't let it fade, it's time to rise. The world is ours, no need to hide. Let's take the lead and feel alive. We're chasing stars, we're breaking rules. Our hearts are loud, we're no fools. Every moment we're in control. This is our time, this is our goal. Living now, live it loud. Don't let the moment slip away somehow. We're here, we're free, we're strong. Living now and move along. The night is young, the beat is sweet. Let's dance beneath the city light.
So guys, I'm done cleaning my house, and that's how the house looks like. I want to show you the whole view. You look how clean it looks like. My carpet, I'm calling it fresh, it's Arabic. Okay, my dining, look how superb it is. My corridor, and lastly my kitchen. That's how it looks. I just love the outcome. So hey guys, thank you for coming this far. Thank you so much. If you have reached here, we are coming to the end of the video, and I'm so grateful. And if you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and for the returning subscriber, thank you so much. So guys, I want to close my video and edit it. There is one which is going up, it's going up, and then this one, it will come up maybe on Sunday, yeah, because I normally post on Sunday. I didn't post last Sunday, I took a break. I've never gone a break since 2025. Now I took a break of only 1 week, but there's a video that is coming up, and then again this one. So I'm ending my video and then edit it, and then I want to update you. Like you saw earlier when I was on a call, I was on a video call with my interviewer, and I'm so grateful. I've got a job. It's 2026 January, and it's starting with good news. So I've got a job. Yeah, I'm working with an American company, and I'll be working, the offices in Westlands. Yeah, I'll be taking you with you. I'll be taking me with you. I'll be starting on Monday. Yeah, so I'm getting preparation of starting that job. Yeah, I'll be starting on Monday. Yeah, and that's the update I want to give you. Yeah, and so far I'm healthy and happy. See you in the another video.